Good morning, everyone. Good morning to our Philippine team, and good evening for our team here in the US and for the rest of the country, wherever you are. Thank you for joining us today. So, today's topic is business preview. So, we are going to share the advantage of being part of BG Wealth sharing. Okay, so to begin with, let me share my screen. So again, our topic for today is understanding the sharing economy of Biju Wealth. To begin with, let us all read together. This presentation is not intended to serve as investment advice. The content provided here is for informational purposes only. The presenter is not accountable for any outcomes related to your investments, trades, or purchases. All cryptocurrency movements involve risk. It is crucial to fully understand this risk. We recommend that all attendees conduct their own research before deciding to participate in any available cryptocurrency activities in the market. But of course, when we do our research online, we also have to balance all the information or the source of those information, because we all know that is online, that is a free world. Anybody could say anything they want to say online. Okay, so let us just balance all the information that we got. So how to earn in cryptocurrency? Why is it that every other week, every month, or every 2 months, or every quarter, we receive an invitation from friends, families, and associates for an opportunity in crypto? Why? Because there are a lot of opportunities for us to earn extra in crypto space. So, how do we earn in cryptocurrency or in crypto space? First, through trading. Though some of us, especially those beginners, we don't have much knowledge about all of this, but of course we wanted to take a pie in the crypto space. Then another way to earn in crypto is through mining. Some do smart noding, some do yield farming, some do staking, other love to collect NFTs. Then the younger generations also love to play even without earnings. They just want to play online games, but cryptocurrency give us an opportunity that while playing will also give you a chance to earn. Then referral program. So most of the platform that we join in, they give us a referral program. So later we will understand how we can leverage this program. So here in BG Wallet Sharing, the platform that we're going to share with you today offers trading, or they do trading, and we also enjoy the referral program. Okay, so these two ways to earn is present in BG Wallet Sharing. So moving on, there are also different styles of trading. So we would understand what style of trading BG Wealth do. So when we say style of trading, there is what we call scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So if you hear all these terminologies from your friends who do trading, so you will know what style of trading they do in the market. Another way is there are also different methods in trading. So what are those? We call it the spot trading, arbitrage trading, margin trading, futures and derivatives trading, and algorithmic trading. So these are the methods of trading. So where do BG Wealth fall on these methods of trading? So we all know that we are under futures and derivatives trading. Then there are also what we call a dollar cost averaging. So these are a different method. So all those professional out there, who knows how to do trading, not only in crypto, but also in stocks and forex, they will understand this. Of course, we don't want to go in depth on that, but at least we know which category or what BG Wealth is doing. So we would understand and appreciate BG Wealth more. So there are also different types of derivatives trading. So there is what we call futures, forwards, options, and swap. Okay, so you every day as you do the trade in DSJ through the lead of visual sharing, so you know what we are doing. So there are also different types of company who do options trading. So who are those? Some are the market makers, proprietary trading firms, broker or dealers, quantitative trading firm, hedge funds, corporate treasury departments, or even family offices. So here, when we talk about market makers, we at BG Wealth Sharing, we are the market makers. Why? We are trading more than 500,000 users trade in the same position. Okay, so that is our strength. Now, let's welcome our first time listener and to all our new signed up partners. Welcome to BG Wealth Sharing. So, BG Wealth Sharing Investment Group is an innovative investment strategies. It combines financial investment in the financial market with a win-win project. So, as we go along, we would understand why it is a win-win project. So, BG Wealth, founded by Professor Stephen Beard in 2018, and they become public or it was launched in public in 2022. So, right now, if we're going to count since they go public, more or less they are now on their fourth year. 2026 is on their fourth year. So, can you imagine? So far, this is one among those longest existing platform that still survived through the test of time in the crypto space. So Professor Stephen Beard, you always see him because we could not be activated if you will not talk to him personally. And then he also do Zoom every week. So a while ago, at 5 p.m. California time, he just got his weekly Zoom call. It's a short call, but he makes sure that even if he's not feeling well, he has time for the members. Because some, especially those who really don't know what is BG all about, are saying that he is an AI or he is a robot. But you guys who spoke to him every day or every other day or every week via Zoom, so you will know the truth. Now, this is the one of the reason why BG becomes a win-win-win project. First, it has a long-term project cooperation. So DSJ Exchange, so this is the exchange where we do our trade. And BG Wealth Sharing, this is head by Professor Stephen. So this too has a 10 years agreement. So take note, we are now on our fourth year, so we still have a long way to go. So what is the agreement all about? So among those, this is one of the commitment of the two. Over the next 10 years, Stephen Beard commits to providing two signal analysis each day, ensuring that at least one out of the five analysis is profitable. Participants must operate based on the trade analysis provided by professor, adhering to the specified time, direction, and amount. Okay, so we don't have to do anything. If you are pro in trading, you don't have to do it on your own. So we have to follow the lead of Professor Stephen. Second agreement, while following these trades, investors, that is we, must comply with the company's development policies, maintain the company's reputation, and uphold the company's culture. Third, if an investor discover anyone spreading rumors or disseminating negative information, they should promptly report to the relevant parties to jointly maintain a positive investment environment. Fourth, if the users of DSJ Exchange is hacked, resulting to a loss of funds for BG members, the team will fully reimburse all lost funds. So investors who comply with the above stipulations will receive financial guarantee from VG Wealth Sharing. So what is the scope of this guaranteed funds? So the scope of guarantee, if all 5 signal phases published by Professor Stephen are incorrect, leading to the losses for members trading based on the plan, BG Wealth Sharing will cover all the investment losses. So take note, if the losses is through your own doing, then that is not part of the guarantee. But if we follow the steps of what Professor has published and all the signals is incorrect or we lost on that particular trade, then that is the time that BG Wealth Sharing will cover our losses. So this is the first reason why we have a win-win-win project. Second, DSJ Exchange compliance. So as you can see, DSJ Exchange holds registrations and business certificates in more than 30 countries and regions worldwide. They have the following: the Australian Securities and Investment Commission registration, the Monetary Authority of Singapore registration, the Dubai Financial Services Authority registration, the Bahamas Central Bank registration, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission registration. So this is the compliance of DSJ Exchange. And also, it has a Financial Crime Enforcement Network registration. Another reason for this win-win project is BG Wealth Sharing is also a compliant. So you can see this is the certificate from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Then this is also a certificate of shares that has Professor Stephen's name. So that already a proof that he is not an AI. So this is also a certificate of registration from the state of Colorado. And both BG Wealth Sharing and DSJ Exchange has a certificate of facts of good standing also in the state of Colorado. So these are the advantages of being part of BG Wealth Sharing. First, 99.6% accurate signal, compliance and legal, guaranteed funds safety and profits, long-term project partnership, stability meets opportunity. You can seldom find a platform, especially in the crypto space, that has all the compliance in the United States. Because some platforms, we even use VPN for us to access here in the US. But for BG Wealth Sharing, all their compliance is here in the United States. So that is our edge in the market. So I don't know why there are still members that are still doubtful. Of course, we could not blame any members who have the same feeling as me when I started BG, but through the months, you already experience, you already hear thousands of testimonies in our gated community. So I hope that would help you decide of which one you're going to listen. The online negative feedback that they are not part of BG Wealth Sharing or the inside community of BG Wealth. So it's you to decide to balance all those informations. Now, are you ready to be part of this win-win-win project? So how to get started? Of course, we are given a link or invitation code from our friends, families, or business associates to be part of their team. So first, once you receive a referral link, or if you could not open the link sponsor, give them the URL site, and then give them your invitation code. Now, when you do your own account, you have two options that you can use. You could either register it using your email or your mobile number. Then, before you click the obtain, because this is where we receive a verification code that the one signing up is not a robot, so you have to click obtain. But before doing that, create first your account, because once you click obtain, this one has a timer. So for you to be ready, you create your password first, or advise your newly signed up to do this. Create their password, rewrite their password, then before they click obtain. Here at the obtain, all you have to do is to copy the letters and numbers, write it down here on the left side of the box. But if it is a mathematical question, all you have to write is the answer. Okay, then you also make sure that your invitation code is also there down below before you click register. Now, the moment our newly signed up created his or her account, they should do the verification. So where to go? So we always say this, on the upper portion of your screen, there is a profile icon. You click that, then you will see this basic verification. So that is the first that you are going to click. Then you just follow all the information that is needed. Now, there is a portion here that asks your ID number. The ID number that being asked here is the ID number of the identification that you are going to submit, not your DSJ ID. Okay, so please, this one, your DSJ ID is needed when you reply to Professor Stephen and to Miss Elena. But for DSJ, the ID that they are being asked is the identification that you are going to submit at the advanced verification. Now, once your basic verification becomes authenticated, then proceed to advanced verification. At the advanced verification, all you have to do is to upload the front page of your ID. Second is your selfie holding that particular ID. Okay, then you're done with your verification. Let's proceed to fund your DSJ account. So how to fund your account? Let's go to assets. That's on the lower side of your screen. Then you go to deposit, then get the wallet address. Here at the wallet address, the default is Tron Network or TRC20. Now, if the USDT that you are going to transfer is not Tron Network, then you have to change it to Ethereum Network. There are only two chains being accepted at the DSJ exchange. It's TRC20 or ERC20. So if you have other network than that, then you have to convert it first to Ethereum or to Tron network before you can transfer it here. Another way, you could also select currency if you want to transfer Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDC. You could do so before you will get the correct wallet address. Okay, now once your funds will arrive at DSJ Exchange, you can see that in your Exchange wallet. Okay, then once it's in your Exchange wallet, for you to participate in trade, you have to transfer to trade. Okay, so after you receive at the exchange, then you click transfer, then transfer to your trade wallet or your trade balance. Once it's done, because some of our newly signed up, they already funded their account, they already replied to Miss Elena. Miss Elena already gave them the schedule of their trade, but they were not able to participate because their assets, it's still in their exchange wallet. Okay, take note, you cannot trade if your USDT is at the exchange wallet. You have to transfer it to trade so that you can participate. Okay, so please assist your newly sign up so they won't miss any trades. Now, how much you could start or how much amount you could recharge or deposit in your DSJ account. So you can choose from 500 USDT up to 10,000 USDT. Now, if a user plan to deposit more than 10,000, they need an approval from Professor Stephen. So meaning if you want to start higher than 10,000, that has a different agreement. So you have to ask Professor Stephen on that if you are allowed to do so. Then after your deposit, after it is transferred to your trade balance, that is the time that we will go to the official communication of DSJ of BG Wealth Sharing at BondChat so that your account will be activated. Take note, the official communication of BG Wealth Sharing is only one. It's only at BondChat. Okay, so you have to download this app. If you are using Google or if you're using Android, go to your Google Play. If you are using iOS, go to your App Store. Okay, so if it's in your Google Play, you click install. If it's in your App Store, you click get. Okay, now phones right now are also very strict in downloading apps. So you have to remember your Google account or the email you use in your Apple ID because you need that or you need to access that before you could download your this app. Okay, so you have to inform your newly signed up ahead of time to remember their Google account password so or their Apple ID password so they could download this app. Now, once you download the app, you have to join at the BondChat server BG 2026 and then click join. Now, there are signed up that already created their bond chat on the old server, but they were not able to fund yet. So if you joined the old server and you just do your funding today, you have to delete your bond chat, uninstall so that or change the server ID to BG 2026 before you create your account in BondChat. Now, after you click join, you will be redirected to the login page. Do not input your details yet because you don't have an account yet. All you have to do is go down to sign up now. Okay, so take note, members, please assist your newly signed up so they have a smooth registration. Now, that's the default United States. So if you are in other country, it will appear right away. If you are in the Philippines, once you download it, then Philippines will appear. If not, then select the country. Then input your mobile number, then click send so that you will receive as an SMS code. Now, you also have to tick or to check the box so that you can continue to your registration. Okay? So now once you already have a BondChat account, this is the first person that you need to search. To search Elena03, click chat and say hello, then send message request because this is the staff that would activate your account. Then the second person, of course, is our CEO, no other than Professor Stephen. So search Stephen03, click chat, say hello, and send message request. If you already have an experience in other platforms before, that it's only your team leader or it's only your team leader who has the access to the CEO. But here in BG Wealth Sharing, they have a different approach. Each one of us has a chance to talk to our CEO. So that is one thing that I like here. The approach is personalized. Another thing, before, if you are used of any problems you have, you just go to your upline and let your upline or your sponsor solve the problem. But here, you have to personally message to Miss Elena for her to assist you on your issues or in your problems. You don't have to worry. You can send message in Filipino. Of course, they have a translation for that. They can still entertain all your concerns. So you don't have to worry. Now, after your account has been activated, you have to wait for their reply and then you have to answer their questions. Then next, it would be Miss Elena or Professor who will add you to this different group in Bond Chat. Okay? All of us, our main group that receive the published code during trading is at BG015. So this is the main group chat. Of course, we still belong to a different BG015. This is where the code has been published. Then BG notification group. So if there is any updates, errors, and all the meeting schedules or the Zoom schedule, it is posted in BG notification group. Okay, so from time to time, you have to visit your bond chat, reply to Professor for any questions or to Miss Elena, and also check the BG notification group for all the updates. Then the rest, these are by team. And then for the newly sign up, you also have a group that belongs to a newly 1 week training. So if you fall on that date, a 1 week date, then you have to attend the training. Then, aside from the official communication, our team, Crypto Movers, so some are asking who is Crypto Movers. So this is just a team that we named for our group since we are all Crypto Movers. So that's the name of our team. Then we also have different group chats. I know that your team leader, they also have a group chat to assist you, but these are some of the groups that we are included. So we are also posting any updates and informations that we got from Bond Chat. We also shared it here in our group chat. Okay? Now, how to follow the trade signal. So this is very important. So first, all you have to do is copy, then paste, then confirm. So this is our daily task. Twice a day, this is what we do. All we have to do is just copy, paste, and confirm. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Even if you are beginners in this kind of platform, you can still do so. So how to complete the trade? Okay, first, you have to go to futures. Then you click invited me. So this is the place where you go so that you can participate the trade. So do not click any other menu there because you might click a wrong number. Okay, so and you might lost your funds. So to be sure, just go to futures and click invited me, then paste the order code. So where do you get the order code? The order code is being published at Bond Chat and also being shared to our personalized group, so easy access. Then you just copy the code and confirm. Once it's confirmed, you will see this. The title is the BG World Sharing 015 because this is where the code has been posted. Then the time and date. Okay. Now, another way to double check if your trade go through, then you go to position order. Then you will see a word pending. So you don't have to worry because that means that your trade go through. All you have to do is to wait until it will be transferred to historical order. So once it's already at the historical order, you will see this one. So here, as you can see the direction, even if it's call or put, we can still earn profit. So all you have to check is this. Once you copy and paste the order code, this automatically sets the correct product, whether it's a call or put, and the 1% of the total balance. That is the exposure in every trade. So meaning you don't have to do it manually. You don't have to type the amount. You just simply copy, paste, and confirm. Now, the turnover, if you see this in your screen, especially to our beginners, the turnover, this is the 1% of your capital trade. Then the profit and loss, if it's green, here you can see the rate of return. So here in this example, it's 62.96. So the rate of return also fluctuates from 60 to 64, some 65. So this is the winning rate. If it's in green, you can see here under profit and loss, if it's green, meaning we are winning. But if it's red, then you have to wait. Do not sleep yet. You have to wait until the recovery trade is being published, especially last few days that their first trade in the Philippines, they lost the trade, but some were not able to wait for the recovery. They were able to slip, then they lost. So if you lost, the 1% will be less in your capital trade. So if you start 500, then on that particular trade, you lost the 1%, that's 5. So your remaining trade is 495. But if you were able to wait the recovery, that would recover your losing plus your profit. Okay? Now, we have here a sample calculation. So this is just, okay, from the 500 USDT. So the sample shown here is for illustration purposes only. Actual profit will be based on your trade capital and your participation. So the calculation is based on the daily trading profit, 2 trades per day. This is for the regular trade. So this is just a simplified calculation so that it would easy for us to duplicate. Okay, again, the actual will depend on the return rate percentage, and also it depends on your capital trade, meaning the amount that you start in your trade balance. Okay, so this example, assuming you start today or you start for the month of February, here the 500, this is the amount that you start. We use a multiplier of 1.5. Why? Easy calculation. Because if you don't miss the trade from day 1 to day 30, morning and afternoon, or evening and morning, 2 times a day, if you don't miss a single trade, you will earn more or less 50 to 60% of your capital. So 1.5 is a multiplier, not a percentage. So it's a multiplier that includes your capital. Okay, so your monthly return, including your capital, so your 500 will become 750. Okay, provided you did not miss any trade. Then next month, March, your capital trade already increases. So already 750 times 1.5, then you have 1,125 in your trade balance. Now, we always encourage the team to withdraw. Withdraw your capital so you will be at peace that anything happen in the market, you get your capital. So how much? So in this 2 months, you could already get back your capital. Why? Because your trade, you started 500, it's already doubled. You already earn more than double here. So you could already get your capital. Now, in the next few months, of course, once you withdraw your capital, then your capital trade goes back to the amount left in your balance. So in this example, since you get back your 500, so your 1,125 less 500, you already have a balance of 625. So the balance would be the multiplier of whatever income you have. So 625 times 1.5 down to the next 10 months. Okay, now, as you can see here, in this area, let's say from April to November before Christmas, you already have the money. So this area here, you will decide how much you will withdraw each month. How much do you need for your monthly expenses? What project are you planning to do with your earnings? Take note, in this area here, from April to November, you already get back your capital. So this is only your earnings that continuously earning. So example, here in August, you have 4,700. Oh, I will just take 700 and I will left 4,000. So that the following month, my 4,000 earns 2,000. So I have 6,000. So that is how you calculate. So example, in November, you already have here 16,000. So I will take out 6,000 and left the 10,000. So that is my trade capital. So in this area, this is up to you. Now, there is some partners or members who say, I don't want to withdraw EMS. What will happen on my first 10 months? Okay, so let's calculate. You don't do anything. You did not withdraw. You just do the trade every day, 2 times a day for the next 10 months. Your 500 will become 28,000. So after 10 months, I will withdraw my 8,000 and I will leave my 20,000 as my capital trade. That is up to you. Okay. Or let's say, for example, in July, I will withdraw 600 and I will let my 5,000 do my as my capital trade. So this is up to you guys. Again, this is just a sample calculation. Actual return would also still based on the actual profit. Now, let's do the 1,000 calculation, more or less the same concept. So if you do your withdrawal on the first 2 months, okay, then it will go back on a smaller amount on your third month until the end of 10 months. Okay, so this is what you're going to earn. Now, if you don't want to withdraw, then it has a different figure. Okay, so all you have to do is the same concept as what we do on the 500 example. You can determine which area or which month you want to take some of your profit. Okay, now, for 5,000, of course, the higher your startup, the higher your daily profit, then the higher your accumulation. Okay, again, first 2 months. Why always first 2 months? Because that is where our trade capital is already doubled, so we can take out our initial capital and we leave our profit to continuously earning. Okay, so if you withdraw your 5,000, then still in the next 10 months, use that is much that you can get, provided you did not miss the trade. Okay, now if you don't do any withdrawal since you joined this month up to November, it has a different figure. Okay, so you just play around. Then now you will know how much you're going to withdraw and how that you could get that particular amount. Okay. Now, for 10,000, of course, we all know the higher your capital, the higher your profit on a daily basis. So it has a different figure as well. Can you imagine in your first 2 months, you already withdraw your capital, and the next, on the third month or on your 10th month, this is what you're gonna earn. But if you don't do withdrawal, then it has a different figure. Okay, again, guys, this is just a simple calculation. Why we use the multiplier of 1.5, it is because if we don't miss the trade, our earnings more or less is 50 to 60% from our trade capital. That is why we do a 1.5 calculation. So it would be easier for you to share to your friends or to your family members how they're going to earn from their own trade capital. We are not talking here of any invitation yet. We are only talking of your own capital. Okay, so your earnings on a daily basis and a monthly basis would depend on the amount you start with. Okay, now you are already confident, you are already earning. Definitely, we want to share the business to our families and friends. So, are you? So now, before we go to sharing of this opportunity, what if the trading signal fails? BG provides trading signal with 99.6 accuracy, while trades rarely fail. A five-phase recovery system is in place to recover the losses and generate profits. The new schedule will be announced in bond chat. So again, if we lost on that particular trade, we have to wait for the announcement of the recovery trade. So this is an example. Okay, so the first trade, every day that we do, the exposure of our capital is 1%. Okay, now if the trade fails, then we go to phase two. The exposure is 3%. Now, if we fail again, let's proceed to phase three. The exposure is 9%. Now, if we failed again, let's go to phase four, 27%. And it's failed again, let's go to phase five, 81%. And if it's failed again, then BG Wealth Sharing, this is what in the agreement, then BG Wealth Sharing will cover our capital trade. Now, based on our experience, we joined BG Wealth last July 15, for me to be exact. But my sponsor joined July 7. So to be exact, July up to present, we only experienced three times that we lost the first trade. But we only do the recovery on the second trade. We haven't reached the third, fourth, and fifth phase yet. Okay? So that is the recovery trades. So guys, are we ready to build your team? Now we have here, if we build the team, we have the endorsement or referral rewards. Okay, so in other terms, sponsor bonus. So this is the common term that we use. But in DSJ, you could see their endorsement reward. So we will just follow that. Now, for the new user, you could start 500 down to up to 10,000 USDT. Now, for the referral, the one who invited you, if you start 500, your referral will earn 5%. But if you start 1,000 to 10,000, your sponsor or your referrer will earn 10% from the amount you put in. But you, as newcomer, you will also have a rewards from your own deposit. But this rewards only applies to the first deposit or the initial deposit. If you're going to top up, meaning you add up your capital, you will not receive any rewards or bonuses from that. So the bonuses will only be calculated based on the first deposit or first recharge. Okay, now we also receive bonus signals of 1% of the initial deposit. So this one also gives confusion to our partners. Now you already do the trade every day. Your 1% is already, example, already 30 USDT per trade. But you have a new sign up who just joined 500. So your bonus trade would be based on 1% of the 500. It is not based on your 30, it is not based on your current 1%. For the bonus trade, it would be based on the amount of your newcomers, what amount they put in. Okay, so that would be the basis. So if your daily trade is, your 1% is already 20 USDT, but the one who signed up is 10,000 USDT, then your bonus trade is based on 100, not from your 20. Okay, so I hope it is clear, because before we start, I already received that question. So where did it be based? So it is based on the amount of the newcomer's deposit. Now, additional trade signals. Okay. Basically, if resources is limited, you could start 300 USDT. But we don't encourage this because there is no additional signal. Okay, both the new user and the referrer. So if resources is limited, then the best start is 500 USDT. For the 500 USDT, both the newcomer and the referrer will receive 5% rebates. Then additional 6 signals. Then the best option, if resources is okay or funds is okay, then you could start 1000 USDT and above. Now, regardless of the amount for the newcomer or for the new user, any amount you put in from 300 USDT to 10,000 USDT or 500 USDT to 10,000 USDT, you will only receive 5% rebates. Then the signal, you will receive 6 signals regardless of the amount. The only difference is the referrer. For the referrer, he will get 5% if it's 500 and 6 additional signals if it's 500. But if the entry is from 1,000 and above, the sponsor will get 10% rebates. Then, if it's on the same month of your entry in the same month, the first 1,000 you will get extra 12 additional signals. The second 1,000 and above, you will receive 16 additional signals. So every other day, let's say you have a new sign up from 1,000 and above, then your additional signals or bonus trade, this is what we call bonus trades, then it will continue until you claim all the bonuses. Because the additional signals, you can only claim 4 trades a day. So if you are a newly signed up, that is why you will get 4 today and 2 the following day. Same thing with the referrer. But if you have a lot of referrals, then every day you can claim 4 until you finish all your additional signals. Now, and aside from that, we also have team bonuses and dividends. This is where your team or your organization already grow. Because here in BG, this is not a typical binary thing or an MLM thing that every level you will earn. Here at BG, you will only earn from your direct referral, either 5% or 10%. Now, from the group that you have in your level 2 down to the line, why you are still assisting them, because that would be part of your qualification for you to rank up. And once you achieve a rank, then that is the time that you will receive team bonuses and dividends. Okay, so the first rank is level 1. So for level 1, all you have to do is to have 5 direct under you. So once you're already level 1, then you have a one-time promotion rewards is only one time during your promotion. But the monthly incentives is your dividends, what we call monthly salary or monthly dividends. It is paid 3 times a month, every 9th, 19th, and 29th. So this month of February, our 29, we will be receiving that on March 1. Okay, take note on that. So here, if you are level 1, you have a minimum of 30 times 3, so that's a total of 90. But if your volume is higher, sometimes you receive 31, 32, or 36. Okay, so that is how we're going to receive the dividends. Then the higher your rank, the higher your monthly salary and the higher your promotion rewards. Now for level 2, at least out of your 5, at least 2 of them already level 1, and you have a total team members of 25. So this is what I was saying a while ago, that your team down below, that is part of your qualification to reach the rank. Okay, but for the earnings, you don't have an earnings per person who joined. You will only earn once you already level up or rank up from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 down the line. Okay, so when we started 7 months ago, the highest rank is level 7, but due to the increased number of promoted leaders, so they have now an additional rank to achieve. So right now, there is level 8 to level 12. At the moment, there is still only one level 8 published in the global community of video wealth sharing. Can you imagine their monthly salary and their promotion rewards? that is still possible from all of us. Now, another reward or another bonus is the third additional trade signal. So, who will qualify for the third additional signal? If we calculate a while ago that if our 2 trades a day would give us a profit between 50 to 60%, how if you are trading 3 times a day? So that is even higher. So now, how to qualify with the third additional signal? The calculation of the qualification is based on the entry of 500 USDT and above. Okay, so the 300 entry does not count in the qualification. That is why we won't encourage you to do so. Because when we start, some of our direct is a 300 entry because of course they are skeptical, they are scared, so they just started small. So it was not counted in our qualification. So if you have that, that is not counted, you have to build more than 5 for you to qualify. Okay? Because you need to have, aside from the 500 qualification, you need to have 5 direct. So you are already level 1. And your 5 direct also becomes level 1, meaning they also have 5 direct under them with an initial deposit of 500 USDT and above. Okay, if one of your direct is at 300, that is not counted. So you have to build your sixth direct or your seventh direct until you have a qualification of 5 level 1 that has an initial deposit of 300 of 500 USDT. Okay, so that's clear. So I hope right now, that is why we won't encourage 300. Start 500, then build your 500 team 5 by 5, then you can qualify or you unlock the third additional signal. Now, process to be remembered. Okay, so all funds transfer into the trade wallet must be doubled through trading before they can be withdrawn without penalty. So here, where do you check your fund transfer? You can go to your assets, go to your deposit, and then go to the transaction history. Then you will see all your recharge amount. Meaning recharge, that's the amount you transfer from your exchange balance to your trade. So all the amount you transferred in your exchange, from exchange to your trade balance, that should be traded through, that should be doubled through trading. Okay, so if you have bonuses, let's say for example the referral bonuses, your monthly dividends, that will be credited to your exchange wallet. So if you don't want to transfer that to trade, then you could withdraw that right away. That is not part of the requirements to double through trading. But if you transfer to trade, and that is the requirements comes in, that you have to trade, you have to double your that amount through trading. Second, again, referral rewards, rank rewards, and dividends payout are added to your exchange wallet. So it can be moved into trade wallet to increase trading volume. So that's one of the reason why we are transferring our exchange balance to trade, so that it would be part in our trading volume. However, each transfer amount is subject to exact doubling requirements. So that is what I was saying. So example, your initial recharge or your initial deposit is 1,000 USDT. Then you already have a trade profits of 1,000. So your total balance now becomes 2,000. Then you have an additional recharge amount of 500. So your total now become 2,500. So the 1% of 2,500 is 25 USDT. That's 1% of the 2,500. So the additional recharge amount must be doubled. So your additional amount is only the 500, correct? So now 1,000 divided by 25 equals 40 times. You need to trade 40 times to double your 500. But since we have 2 trades per day, then you will only do this for 20 days. So that is why when you already have a higher trade balance and you add up your capital to double the amount, it's very easy. You don't have to wait for 60 days to double because your trade balance is already higher. So you could achieve the double amount lesser than 60 days. Okay, so that is the example. Third, whether you add or transfer funds into the trade wallet, a timer resets for that specific amount, then the amount must be doubled through trading before it can be withdrawn to avoid 20% early withdrawal penalty. So if your trade balance already doubled and you want to withdraw, then you will only pay a handling fee of 12%. It will apply to all withdrawals. Okay, minimum withdrawal amount is 35 USDT. Again, no trade, no profit. We are given 10 minutes to execute the trade from the time the signal is released. Sometimes professor will give us 20 minutes to execute the trade. Okay, that is why if you are late in logging in and then you miss the window time, then it becomes invalid parameter. Bonus trades or additional signals will be given to those
no timer set.
To those who qualify. So the schedule will be based on the dates Ms. Elena provides. Usually it is on the second day from your activation, or if you are activated during this time, then you can participate the trade the following day, which also includes your additional signals. So it is very important to double check the messages or the date given by Miss Elena in your communication at BondChat. So again, do not ignore the messages of Professor and Miss Elena. Now, Professor Stephen will always send us messages. All of us will receive messages from Professor. Sometimes he will ask us, how does it feel to earn money in BG? Have you considered way to expand your BG's profit? So sometimes what's holding us back for sharing BG? First, it's our previous experiences that makes us hesitant. We are fear being blamed. We worry that BG might be just the last one, or we are hesitant because of all the negative write-ups at Google University. Ultimately, no one can say what will happen tomorrow for sure. However, one thing is certain here, hundreds of thousands of people are already earning in BG. We are now on our 4th year, and every day, more and more testimonies that we could share, that we could see in our BondChat groups. So it is up to you guys to balance all the information. So let us continue our journey in BG. We are here to assist and walk you through the process. So let's have a collective effort to unite and uplift our community. Together, we have the power to create a thriving environment in BG that benefits us all. So let's make this happen. Okay, so now the latest announcement. Okay, you could see this at BG notification group. Okay, so right now, since of the incident last week, from time to time, we receive a new URL to be used. Okay, so these are the new URL posted in the BG notification group. But if your existing URL are perfectly fine, it's working, you don't have to change. Now, if it's not working, all you have to do is to delete your browsing history in your gadget before you add this or before you use this new URLs. Okay? And tip, you have, if there is a instances like this, we have to log in early so that if we could not log in, we still have time to change so that we could participate the trade. Because if we log in on the same time that the code is being posted, then definitely we will miss the window time. Okay? So I also would like to congratulate during our last month business preview. This is the countdown of the managers in our team, Crypto Movers team. So before last week of January, we have 31 level ones, we have 5 level 2, and we have 1 level 3. But as of this morning, because there are still few who are promoted during the afternoon, so I was not able to update the list. But definitely, we are all proud of you. So as of today, we already have 40 level 1. Some of those, they don't inform me or they are just silent in their group chat, so I don't know. So please share to us. Then for our level 2, it already doubled. We have 10 level 2 and we have 2 level 3. So congratulations to all our managers out there. Our team will not grow without all of us. So let's help one another. So on Saturday, we will be in San Diego in person. So see you there. Hope to see you there. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone.